Sometimes I laugh when I read or see videos that people post about this party, because they always stand for what they call uh, South Africans, or putting South Africans first, and they say if you vote for them, they will fight illegal immigration. That's always their first thing. They don't fight for unemployment, they don't fight for water or whatever. And I was like, fine, let's say you hypothetically want to vote for them. But before you vote for them, just know that this lady, she's a mayor of Tshwane, Dr. Nasipi Moya. Dr. Moya is a mayor of Tshwane right now, the executive mayor of Tshwane. This one wanna be a mayor of Joburg, and that one no mayor Ikuruleni. But anyway, as equal up, let's focus on the executive mayor right now. So you wanna tell me that Pretorians or South Africans who are complaining every day about the so-called illegal immigrants in Sunnyside, which is under her municipality, but she can't even go and raid Sunnyside, because you guys proclaim there are things that are sold there which are not supposed to be sold, which I agree with you guys, even though I don't have the evidence. But I know this has been something that people have been talking about over and over. This one, she's a mayor of Tshwane. She does not even need to call the army or SAPS. She has the metros, the TMPD, Tshwane Metropolis Department. She can just write a letter and give an executive order for them to go and raid Sunnyside. But she does not do that. And we think, if you guys in the next local elections, if you vote for them, maybe this one is sorry Joburg, this one is sorry, and then this one is sorry Ikuruleni. Do you think they will ever go to Sunnyside or Hillbrow, wherever, and raid those buildings which you say were illegal things? I'm not saying don't vote for them, but before you decide to vote for either of them, just know that this one already has the power. Right now, she has the power to change whatever that her party preaches, but she does not act on that. So why do you give someone more power while they can't even use the little power that they have? Because nobody questions a mayor. All we know, she just go there